Question 61. The jury, A, have been debating, B, the verdict for, C, several hours now. D, no error, E. Options: A, the jury. B, have been debating. C, the verdict for. D, several hours now. E, no error. Answer: the error is in part B. Jury is a collective noun and is treated as singular in American English, so the verb should be has been debating. Corrected sentence: the jury has been debating the verdict for several hours now. Question 62. The teacher demanded A, that the student B, submits C, the assignment before the deadline. D, no error, E. Options: A, the teacher demanded. B, that the student. C, submits. D, the assignment before the deadline. E, no error. Answer: the error is in part C, in subjunctive mood, used with verbs like demand, the base form of the verb is used. The correct form is submit instead of submits. Corrected sentence: the teacher demanded that the students submit the assignment before the deadline. Question 63. The results of the study, A, shows that the new method, B, is more effective, C, than the previous one. D, no error, E. Options: A, the results of the study. B, shows that. C, is more effective. D, than the previous one. E, no error. Answer: the error is in part B. Results is plural, so the verb should be show instead of shows. Corrected sentence: the results of the study show that the new method is more effective than the previous one. Question 64. Neither the board of directors, A, nor the CEO, B, are willing to make, C, a final decision at this point. D, no error, E. Options: A, neither the board of directors. B, nor the CEO. C, are willing to make. D, a final decision at this point. E, no error. Answer: the error is in part C. The subject closer to the verb is CEO, which is singular, so the verb should be is instead of are. Corrected sentence: neither the board of directors nor the CEO is willing to make a final decision at this point. Question 65. No one except my parents, A, and my sister, B, know about, C, my decision to move abroad. D, no error, E. Options: A, except my parents. B, and my sister. C, know about. D, my decision to move abroad. E, no error. Answer: the error is in part C. The subject no one is singular, so the verb should be knows instead of know. Corrected sentence: no one except my parents and my sister knows about my decision to move abroad. Question 66. Had the teacher, A, not warned him, B, he would not have, C, made such a careless mistake. D, no error, E. Options: A, had the teacher. B, not warned him. C, he would not have. D, made such a careless mistake. E, no error. Answer: no error. This sentence correctly uses an inverted conditional structure with the past perfect, had the teacher not warned, and the appropriate form of would have for hypothetical past scenarios. Question 67. The data that was collected, A, from the survey, B, provide valuable insights, C, for future research. D. No error, E. Options: A. The data that was collected. B. From the survey. C. Provide valuable insights. D. For future research. E. No error. Answer: the error is in part A. Data is technically a plural noun, though often treated as singular in informal contexts, so it should be the data that were collected to be grammatically correct in formal writing. Corrected sentence: the data that were collected from the survey provide valuable insights for future research. Question 68. Every one of the students, A, are expected, B, to submit their reports, C, by the end of the week. D, no error, E. Options: A, every one of the students. B, are expected. C, to submit their reports. D, by the end of the week. E, no error. Answer: the error is in part B. Everyone is treated as singular, so the verb should be is expected instead of are expected. Corrected sentence: every one of the students is expected to submit their reports by the end of the week. Question 69. None of the equipment, A, were functioning, B, properly during the trial, C, causing significant delays. D, no error, E. Options: A, none of the equipment. B, were functioning. C, properly during the trial. D, causing significant delays. E, no error. Answer: the error is in part B. None with uncountable nouns like equipment is treated as singular, so the correct verb should be was functioning. Corrected sentence: none of the equipment was functioning properly during the trial, causing significant delays. Question 70. The team of researchers, A, have found, B, a significant correlation, C, between the variables. D, no error, E. Options: A, the team of researchers. B, have found. C, a significant correlation. D, between the variables. E, no error. Answer: the error is in part B. Team is a collective noun and is considered singular in American English, so the verb should be has found instead of have found. Corrected sentence: the team of researchers has found a significant correlation between the variables. Question 71. Each of the candidates, A, have been asked, B, to provide their, C, identification documents. D, no error, E. Options: A, each of the candidates. B, have been asked. C, their. D, identification documents. E, no error. Answer: the error is in part B. Each is singular, so the verb should be has been asked, not have been asked. Corrected sentence: each of the candidates has been asked to provide their identification documents. Question 72. The committee, A, have expressed their concern, B, over the lack of, C, funding for the project. D, no error, E. Options: A, the committee. B, have expressed their concern. C, over the lack of. D, funding for the project. E, no error. Answer: the error is in part B. Committee is a collective noun and treated as singular in American English, so the correct form should be has expressed. Corrected sentence: the committee has expressed its concern over the lack of funding for the project.